Hello. Welcome back, my nieces and nephews. You know I love hanging out with you guys, and I appreciate you stopping in to Auntie's kitchen and sitting a spell, okay? You know we have lots of fun, and everything that comes out of here from me to you is full of what? Love. Cooking from the heart and cooking from the soul, that's what makes good food, all right? So, and to those of you that are just running on through, I hope you come stick around and become one of my nieces and nephews and become a part of this family, all right? So today we are going to be doing another good favorite of mine that I like to, when I go to a Starbucks. I like that green tea frappe. But I'm going to be doing the sugar-free green tea frappe. And so I'm going to go over what we need. We need some matcha powder, pure matcha powder, not the matcha powder with the sugar already added. That's not matcha powder because it's preloaded with all that sugar already in it. You're not getting the matcha powder. You're not getting it. You're getting something with some other stuff. You need nothing but this says matcha powder. Okay. I have my Splenda. Yes, I like Splenda. Okay. I'm going. Matcha powder is very strong. It's very strong. The scent is strong as well as the flavor. So, you know, I had to have some. I'm going to be using 1 1/4 cups of milk. I'm using lactate milk, and I do like a little vanilla flavoring. So I'm going to be using my sugar-free vanilla bean syrup. Now I'm not making coffee, so it won't be squirts and squirts and squirts. Let's say I want to be using. It's going to be going. This is going to be a big thing, so I'm going to be using my cute little mason jar. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Okay, and I'm going to be using my matcha bullet. It's going to be needing some ice. So hold on a moment, my family, and I'll be right back. Now, this is the large container from the matcha bullet. And according to how the consistency that you want your frappe is how you want it, how much ice you add. I'm going with this because I don't want it overly thick, but I don't want it really soupy either. I want it what you may call, according to your preference, just right. What the little bear said, just right. Okay, so we're gonna do a flip and a switch downward. So we're gonna see how this is gonna get incorporated. So if you too can make a frappe for your family and friends, you know what Auntie always say? Well, keep it all to yourself. Okay, hold on, my family. Okay, I got my NutriBullet already plugged up. Got my ice. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and add my sweetener, not my sweetener, my little vanilla. I only want 2 squirts in here. Go ahead. I'm going to add my powder. My spoon. This is 2 teaspoons. Matcha is very powerful. It's a very powerful tea, and because this is pure, whatever word you want to call it, matcha, whatever. This is a large container, and as you probably, when you go to that place, you know, you see them pull it out the drawer. This is what they're using. But I don't know if if my daughter say I could not be a barista and take your order. It's too detailed and complicated. Okay, I'm gonna this is a 1 tablespoon measuring. It depends on what you want your strength of your matcha to be. And I'm gonna go with 2.5 tablespoons. Put that over there for a little housekeeping. I'm gonna add my milk. And I think I want a little more milk. Because I want my milk. It's almost to that max line. I put my milk all the way up. And I'm gonna pop this top on. Give it a little shaky. I do want to get a little shaky. Now see, that's pretty thicky. This is, let me check my consistency, because your consistency may not be what mine is for me. And see, this is perfect for me. And so I always taste it. That's perfect, right amount of, just enough sweetness for it for me. And so what I'm going to do, I pour it in my little jar. This is not going to fill up all this, but I can pour it in here. And what I do, I take the rest of it. And you know, green tea, they say, I don't know, because I'm not a doctor. They say it has a, but my doctor says it does have some health benefits to it. I don't know. I just like it. So you see, I have this. So I'm going to get me a my little straw here. Not that. Get me a little stew. That make it pretty. And just like them, we're gonna make ours pretty too. Like, Auntie gonna have to open up another can. And here we are, guys. Green tea frappe. No, unless you like that bitterness of green tea, I'm not sprinkling any of that powder on there, because it's really bitter. So here it is, family. Green tea frappe. Something that you can make at home and not pay $7. And you can have as many as you like and make it any way you like, okay? So, ooh, I'm all over the place. Maybe I'm anxious to get to cooking. You think that's what it is? I'm tired of playing with the blender and the mixer. That's what it is? Okay, guys. Good. Okay, my friends. All right. Until the next upload, you know, when you know better, you do better. And when you do better, you keep getting better. All right. So until the next upload, love you guys. Hugs and kisses to each of you. Thank you for all your love and support. You know, when you leave those comments, you know Auntie is going to respond to your comments, because I just love you guys. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Till the next... Rumble stumble. To the next upload. See you guys later. Bye. Or should I say...